Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to spend your Nectar points in store. So all I need to do, just go to your store and just browse and buy whatever you want as you do usually. Shop normally, pick your items and go to checkout. Of course, make sure that your application is opened and ready to use in your pockets. Once you open your application, you should find your QR code or barcode. So if you find barcode, just click on it. If you find QR code, just click on it. And you will find two options, QR and the barcode. You can choose whatever you want. Then you can scan the app or barcode, basically, or even card if you have a physical card. And make sure to do this after or before payments. After, of course, you pass your items and do it before you pay. So go through it and scan the QR code, and then you will be able to get points if you want. So now, how can you spend points? So at the checkout, you'll find an option which is selects use points or tell, as example, cashier if you're not doing it by yourself. So the points should reduce your total bill. If you're using it at where you're paying, if you're doing it alone, you'll find use your points, especially after you scan it. And if there's a cashier, just tell them, oh, I want to use my points, and give them your phone to scan the barcode or QR code that you have. So if your points aren't used, maybe then select use points at the checkout experience. And if the barcode is not scanning, make sure to increase the brightness or use the QR code instead. And maybe if you don't have enough points, sometimes you can't even redeem it. So keep that in mind. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.